In this video, we create this long shadow text effect that you see on the screen. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's go. So this is the color code that I'll be using for this background. I'll click OK, and then this will be the settings for our composition. Click OK, and I'll select text tool, so either Ctrl T or select from this one, and then type in your text, and then we align this from align panel. We align this into the center, and by the way, I'll be using this font called Montserrat Black. The size is 300, and then I'll duplicate this, Ctrl D to duplicate, and then change the color of the second one to white, and then we select the one that's down here, and then go to effects and presets, type in CC Radial Fast Blur, apply it onto the layer, bottom text, and then we can, by clicking on this center point, I can drag this somewhere around here, and then change the amount of it, so something like that, and then we can just animate the center point. So go to the beginning, and then set a keyframe on center, and while holding shift I can move it like so. Go to 2 seconds, and then we can move it like so. Press U to view the keyframes, and then we can even make this 3 seconds, and then press N so it stops there, and then we can have a look at the animation. I'll make this full